Got a reverse engineering project open here on my screen. We did a little measurement of an underbody system here for packaging of some exhaust. But what I'd like to show with this module is how we can get multiple viewports up on the same session here. The default here is just to have one viewport open that you can manipulate and move around, and I can hit the 4 and the 5 and the 6 key to get into a view that I like that's square to grid, or the isometric views with a 7, 8, 9, and 0. Those keys will seem to bring me around to a different view that I like to see when I do my measurement or if I'm just analyzing my data. But what's nice is if you wanted to have the option to view 4 different viewpoints, or I should say even multiple viewpoints, go under the View menu here and go to the Tiled Views. The one viewport is what we're looking at right now, just a standard view that you can pick and you can rotate around to put it into a view that you like or that's based on your measurement session or your position of your arm. But what is available to you are multiple viewports. Like I'll start with 4 viewports here. If I highlight that, notice that I've got 4 individual viewports right now that are available for me. Notice that the active viewport is this upper left-hand view that's an isometric view. So I can scroll in, or with my arrow keys I can pan around a little bit. Or the I and the O key, I can seem to move that to a view that makes sense for me. But what's nice is if I highlight in this view on the upper right-hand corner, I click in there, and now I've got this side view. But if I wanted to change that view, I could hit the 5 key or the 6 key, or I could dynamic rotate around and maybe zoom in or window in to this back area here, which was a heat shield, just an exhaust heat shield area. Okay, so I'll put that into a view like that. Right mouse click to get out of the camera. And now here, the bottom right-hand corner, I can zoom in. And down in the bottom left-hand corner, I can zoom in and maybe pan that thing around a little bit. So that's a very good way of having the ability to view multiple viewports or just multiple views in your SAT file. So just click in the viewport that you want to manipulate the orientation of that view to whatever you'd like to see.